Now, leaders in Erie and Monroe counties say the sharpest spike is among people who are unvaccinated. There's also now another push to get more vaccinated people their booster shot. In Erie County, no adult will be turned away if they want to get a booster. Bevan Cassacoon taking a closer look tonight at this latest push to get more and more people vaccinated.
What is it that we have to do to make sure that we don't go into another mandate?
If we had more adherence to public health recommendations, we might not be in the situation we're in. And what I mean by that is too many people remain unvaccinated.
Dr. Nancy Nielsen, a clinical professor at University at Buffalo's Medical School, says Western New York should follow suit with how New York City is handling the pandemic.
You see a difference between what's here and what's in Manhattan, where there are mandates for entering a restaurant, going to a show, going to a museum.
About 25% of cases in Erie County in the last 7 days are in people under the age of 18.
Ellicott School District just shut down for a couple of days because kids had to quarantine. But once they're vaccinated, you don't have to do that if they have no symptoms.
We're doing a lot of those vaccination clinics at schools.
Dan Stapleton is a public health director for Niagara County, where the 7-day positivity rate sits at 8.8%.
We're seeing that across all age groups. It's not just the elderly, middle age, it's younger children.
Both Stapleton and Nielsen say it's critical for children and their parents to get vaccinated.
There is not a scarcity of vaccine. So if you're in a job, as you are, that is out in the public, then just go. And nobody's going to ask any more questions about, what's your condition that makes you immunocompromised.
It's not very often that you have a simple solution, but in this case we do. We just need more people vaccinated. That's the only way we're going to get through this pandemic anytime soon.
Well, Dr. Nielsen says that those who would like to get vaccinated can do so by going to UB's South Campus in Harriman Hall. That link to sign up can be found on our website, WKBW.com. Now, she also adds that walk-ins are welcome, but advises that those who would like to sign up do so ahead of time for a much quicker process. In the newsroom, Bevan Cassacoon, 7 Eyewitness News.